Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 17.2 Beta 3 follow-up, and we are also going to talk about the preview of iOS 17.2 Beta 4. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos for you guys and you guys seem to love them. So make sure that I'm on your feed, and to make sure that you have to click that red subscribe button. Now that you have hit that subscribe button, let's get right into today's video, shall we? Alright, so let's start off with talking about how has been my experience using the iOS 17.2 Beta 3. So, my experience has been pretty good in the most part. Just clearing that out real quick in the start. There are some bugs on the beta 3 which I'm going to talk about. The major one is going to be the notification bug, where the notifications are coming up but it is delayed. As in, the notification sound or the vibration will be felt few seconds earlier and the notification will be delayed few seconds. This bug is now again on the beta 3. It was fixed on the beta 2, it was present on the beta 1, and now it is again here on the beta 3. Talking about the performance on the iOS 17.2 beta 3 has been pretty good in the most part. But talking about performance on devices like iPhone 12 and below, okay, so this is something that you should be worried about because I am really worried. iPhone 12 is getting really toasted on these betas. I have no clue why, but iPhone 12, especially the 12, not the 11, is getting really warm in my use case. So if you are using an iPhone 12, just stay away from the iOS 17.2 beta right now. Even the iPhone 11 and 10 are to a certain extent, but those are still bearable. But iPhone 12s are just getting really hot, and I don't know why people are not talking about it. Maybe there are just not a lot of people using iPhone 12 on the beta right now. But yeah, this is something that I am experiencing. My iPhone 12 is getting really hot to a point that it is hard to handle and use without a case as well. This is a issue which is now more present on the beta 3. I mean, on the beta 2 it was getting warm as well, but on the beta 3 I am noticing it even more. So let's talk about the iOS 17.2 beta 4 now. When it's going to get released and what all new features and changes we should expect on that beta. Because there isn't a lot of things to talk about, and what all things were there to talk about, I already talked about the iPhone 12 heating issues, the notification bug, and I don't think so there are any more things. Battery life has been pretty okay on the beta 3 till now. But yeah, there are not a lot of things to talk about on the beta 3 follow-up as of now. Alright, so the release date of iOS 17.2 beta 4 is expected to come either tomorrow. The day I'm uploading this video is Monday. It is 20th of November today. Apple may release the beta 4 tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, I expect them to release next week then. But I'm pretty sure that they may release this update tomorrow itself on 21st of November. Now talking about the new changes, the number one thing that we are going to see is new wallpapers. Okay, so listen up. This is something really controversial and a lot of people will say that we'll not see new wallpapers, but I'm not saying that we may see it on this beta itself, but there is really high possibility that we may see new wallpapers before the public release of iOS 17.2. And not to forget, we will also see some new emojis coming up. Hope so, fingers crossed, on the iOS 17.2 betas itself. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope that we will see these changes coming up on our devices really soon. Then the next thing that will come in this beta is going to be more customization option for standby. Standby mode is something which is not really receiving a lot of attention. I mean, at the start it was getting a lot of praise and attention from everyone, but now I don't really see a lot of people talking about it. And what I think is that standby does deserve more customization options, and Apple will probably add it later this year. Let's hope that iOS 17.2 will be an update which will bring more customization options to the standby mode as well. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know down in comments below. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and I am signing off. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.